Welcome to Iron Beast Moments. In today's video, we're diving into the incredible world of construction machinery. From massive excavators and bulldozers to towering cranes and earth movers, watch these engineering giants showcase their power and precision in action-packed moments you won't want to miss. During winter, when heavy snowfall covers the railway tracks, a specialized machine steps in to clear the way. Equipped with powerful plows and rotating blades, this machine pushes through the thick snow, uncovering the rails and ensuring the smooth operation of trains. Its robust design and efficiency make it a vital tool for maintaining rail transport in harsh winter conditions. A massive tunneling machine digs deep into the earth, carving its way forward with a powerful rotating cutter head. As the soil is broken apart and removed, the machine steadily advances, creating space for an underground city to take shape. This incredible process combines precision and strength, transforming solid ground into a network of tunnels for future infrastructure. A powerful tracked machine climbs steep slopes effortlessly, showcasing its strength and stability on challenging terrain. The operator makes a video recording of himself going over the obstacle and drops his phone and smashes it.
नया आईफोन पीछे से पूरा डैमेज हो गया, पूरा ग्लास टूट गया भाई.
Placing two crawlers between the gap, the excavator gets rid of the obstacle with a professional move. An excavator trying to descend a very steep slope manages to do so with great patience and professionalism. The excavator carefully extends its powerful arm and bucket, using precise movements to lift itself onto the truck bed. With the bucket gripping the edge of the truck, it slowly and steadily climbs, ensuring a secure load for safe transport to its next job site. The excavator, with its heavy-duty arm and specialized drilling attachment, becomes a force of destruction as it approaches a building. The powerful drill bit at the end of the arm spins into action, tearing through concrete and steel with ease. Each strike from the drill chips away at the structure, breaking it down piece by piece. The operator expertly controls the machine, guiding it to focus on the weakest parts of the building, ensuring an efficient demolition. The precision and strength of the excavator make it an invaluable tool for safely and effectively dismantling structures. The machine, equipped with powerful hydraulics, descends into the earth to grip large, heavy concrete segments buried underground. With its specialized bucket, it carefully lifts the round concrete pieces, maneuvering them with precision to load them onto a truck or platform for removal. Its strength and accuracy make it ideal for handling such challenging tasks, ensuring that even the heaviest materials are efficiently relocated. The excavator moves with purpose as it positions itself next to the large dump truck. With a firm grip, the machine's bucket scoops up heaps of dirt from the ground, lifting them high with ease. As the bucket approaches the open truck bed, it tilts and releases the earth, steadily adding layer upon layer of soil to the waiting dump truck. The operator, skillfully controlling the excavator's movements, ensures each load is perfectly deposited. The rhythm of the work continues, with the excavator efficiently filling the truck, preparing it for transport to the next stage of the construction or excavation project. Its power and precision make the task seem effortless, turning a potentially lengthy process into a seamless operation. An excavator with a specialized attachment at the end of its arm is used to cut through and remove road material. The attachment, similar to a cold planer, has sharp blades that efficiently slice into asphalt or concrete. As the excavator moves forward, it controls the depth and precision of the cut, making it ideal for road repair or construction where only a section of the road needs removal. This method is fast and effective, minimizing disruption while preparing the surface for new material or further work. Massive excavators are carefully loaded onto specialized train cars, securely transported across long distances to reach construction sites or mining areas efficiently and safely. This method ensures both cost-effectiveness and the protection of the heavy machinery during transit.